Hi, I'm Dr. Willy Dayan, and welcome to your Ortho Coach's Masters in Biomechanics of Aligner Orthodontics. I've been teaching aligner orthodontics for over 25 years, and what I'd like to do is share all of that knowledge with you so that you can have a more pleasurable aligner orthodontic experience in your practice and for your patients. Let's have a look inside. So what exactly is the YOC MBA program for you as an orthodontist? It's about less refinement, shortening treatment times, less appointments to get your patients finished, less tracking issues, simplify your modification processes, and reduce computer doctor time. The key takeaway from the program are going to be how to see the simulation as a representation of forces to move teeth, reduce unpredictable movements, so that you can get accurate force application mechanics, and how to control difficult tooth movements using attachments and staging. In the course, we're going to have 3, we might call them virtual live lectures. Vertical control, deep bite and open bite, sagittal control, class 2 and class 3s, and extraction in complex orthodontic cases. In between each of these courses, we're going to have some live virtual case coaching. The maximum class size for the lecture parts are 15, and the maximum class size for the case coaching sessions are 5 doctors at a time. So you'll have a lot of personal attention and be able to ask questions during both the lecture material as well as the case coaching sessions. Also included will be 1 month free of YOC Plus subscription, and all sessions will be taped and stored for 2 years for your review. What we're really trying to solve is that idea in the orthodontic community that says, I tried that and it doesn't work. And I don't believe that's true. And after 25 years of aligners, I can say that if you work it, it works. So whether it's a teen class 2 deep bite with retroclined anteriors, let's get that case done in 2 sets of aligners. Or if it's a mixed dentition preteen class 2 deep bite, same thing, full cusp class 2, done in 2 sets of aligners. An adult with a large open bite with no non-surgical treatment, no TADs, posterior intrusion, also completed in 2 sets of aligners. And here's a case on the go for myself with a class 3 sequential distalization, and we can see here that after the first set of aligners, we're certainly what I might call out of the mud and ready to finish the case. Here's a class 2 deep bite adult, also completed in 2 sets of aligners. In this case is a class 1 deep bite clenching grinding adult, very short face height. We've opened the bite enough for the dentist to do restorations in 1 set of aligners. The dentist didn't want any more treatment. We were finished in just 40 aligners. Here's a deep bite teen with severe crowding, also completed in 1 set of aligners. We'll be looking at root tipping control, whether it's lower incisor extractions and finishing with parallel roots, or root control in cases of opening up space for implants, also in 1 set of aligners, finishing with parallel roots. And finally, bicuspid extraction cases, getting root parallelism in these cases will also be covered. We have our adults with asymmetric crossbite correction, all going to be done in 2 sets of aligners. So I hope you'll join me on the YOC MBA program. See you there soon, live virtually, both for some good learning and coaching of your very own cases. I look forward to seeing you online. Bye-bye and have a great day.